Hi everybody, it's Dan the Organizer Man. I am a professional organizer and I specialize in kitchen organization. I wanted to try the foil ball in the dishwasher hack. So you wad up a ball of foil and throw it in the silverware bin in your dishwasher. And the foil interacts with the detergent in your dishwasher. It's just in the silverware so it doesn't bang around everywhere. 10 out of 10. The silverware came out glittering and the glassware was unbelievable, shiny. Bam!